Hey guys, it's time for a new set of gadgets you can buy online. Here's a pair of cool devices to improve your photos and an accessory to make them brighter. There's also something for Iron Man fans and a piece of your own space on the list. As usual, all the links to the products are given in the description below. Let's go. Get rid of your selfie sticks. Here's the future of personal photography. There are two things you should know about this camera. It's completely pocketable and it flies. Yep, it's like a little robot that follows you and picks the best angle to get perfect shots. None of your friends will be cut out of the frame. Featuring a 12-megapixel camera, this cam is able to shoot full HD video and live streams. You can also use the 360-degree mode to capture a complete panorama or turn on smart facial tracking. This thing is incredibly easy to use. One touch or one gesture is all you need. The device will do the rest. Or you can use an intuitive mobile app. It allows you to manually control the flight, edit your gallery, and share the photos right away. Every Instagrammer needs this. We wouldn't hate face masks that much if they were smart and functional, so here it is. Feel free to take calls, listen to music, and chat with your voice assistant without any inconveniences, since this mask is equipped with earbuds and a high-quality microphone. The control buttons are also integrated right into the mask. Pair it with your phone, and it'll deliver up to 12 hours of playtime. The device still ensures a high level of protection using 4-layer replaceable filters. It's made of breathable fabric that's really easy to clean. Leave that to your washer. This is a whole new type of gadgets. Next up is a groundbreaking controller that lets you interact with virtual worlds in the most natural and realistic way. Instead of heavy controllers with buttons sticking out, it uses a bunch of smart sensors to detect your gestures, touches, pressure, and proximity. And the coolest part is the sensitivity can be adjusted to your individual needs. This makes every VR game feel so much closer to real life. These controllers are incredibly lightweight and comfortable to hold. Each controller lasts up to 6 hours on a single charge. Naturally, they're charged via USB-C. The design is really clean and simple, but you can add some color with the customizable LED light. You'll only see it for a second before jumping into the game anyway. It's space on your wrist. Instead of an ordinary watch with boring minute and hour hands, you'd better get a small model of our planet and what surrounds it. This tiny Earth makes a full rotation every hour, and the constellation ring rotates twice a day. The third moving element is the moon, which serves as a glanceable calendar, and a shooting star indicates the date. This watch also stands out with a high-end Swiss mechanism along with a durable stainless steel body. The dial is covered with scratch-resistant and anti-reflective sapphire glass. There's a variety of different straps to choose from, all from genuine leather. And here's a great gadget for those who make video content. This is a teleprompter that'll make you feel like a real newscaster. The coolest thing is that it's super easy and fun to use. You have to install a special app on your smartphone and then attach it to the gadget. The teleprompter actually reflects the text off the smartphone screen, making it easier to read. What's more, this thing can be seamlessly mounted to almost any DSLR cam. Several mounting rings are already included in the package, as well as glass cleaning equipment and a Bluetooth remote control. So now you can play, pause, and adjust the speed even from a distance. Great content requires great tools. Holograms are no longer science fiction. You can put them right on your desk with this amazing portrait display. You don't need any special equipment to take holographic shots. Most of the latest smartphones can do it. Believe it or not, those portrait mode photos you've been taking have depth information hidden behind them. And now the software that comes with every Looking Glass portrait can use that same depth info to generate a 3-dimensional hologram with a single click. Aside from displaying all your 3D photos and videos, this thing can be used for holographic video messages. There's a lot of compatible software that lets you take, edit, and share your own holograms. Moreover, you can run various apps and games right on the display and even interact with it using additional accessories. Do you want to find out who you really are? It's all written in your DNA. You'll only have to sign up for the test, send your saliva sample, and wait for several weeks. Your results will appear in the mobile app, answering the biggest questions about your background. This information concerns ethnicity and the history of locations where your ancestors have probably lived. The app also shows your DNA matches and allows filling the gaps in your family tree. All the additional data, including the photos and documents, can now be gathered in a single place where you can always find it. Who knows who your grandfather might have been? Creating fully immersive VR videos is much easier than you might think, especially with this new Insta360 camera. Using 6 lenses, it covers every angle and captures 2 8K videos simultaneously. Together, they create lifelike experiences. 60 and 120 frame per second modes are stitched automatically in real time into a seamless panorama. HDR support means that you'll get great color accuracy no matter the lighting conditions. This cam doesn't require a bulky gimbal to achieve a perfectly smooth image. It stands out with a 9-axis stabilization system. As for the storage, there are 7 SD card slots in this thing. All the cables, adapters, and antennas you might need are already included in the package, as well as the travel case. Even the most comfortable gaming chairs can't replace the good old couch. This couch desk has everything you might need to sit back and play hours on end without back pain. It simply connects to your PC with a powerful proprietary cable. The desk also includes 6 USB ports for all your gadgets and peripherals. Thanks to the smart cable management, all the cords are neatly organized. In addition, there are several side pockets where you can store your mouse and other stuff. You'll definitely enjoy the wide and soft cushions made of memory foam. Aside from the basic black version, there's a cyberpunk edition of this desk that features some really cool prints. And here are some stylish accessories that combine up-to-date functions with a truly natural look. All these chargers are actually handcrafted from wood, which makes their unusual shapes even more amazing. There's a wide range of options to choose from, varying in size and compatibility. This 10-watt wireless charger works with all Qi-enabled smartphones, even with the case on. For iPhone users, there's a compact docking station that doubles as a neat, adjustable stand. Then there's a slightly bigger one that'll take care of your iPhone and Apple Watch. Or you might get a full combo with an additional output for your AirPods. Whatever option you choose, all of them look stunning. Don't spend your money on pricey sunglasses. These LED goggles are way more impressive. With 32 bright LED lights and a huge variety of colors, you can look different every day. More than that, there are hundreds of different lighting modes and cool dynamic animations. Feel free to adjust the speed and brightness or create your own custom modes. It's up to you. A compact wireless remote control will help with the setup. There are 3 types of lenses available for these goggles, including the stunning rainbow kaleidoscopes. But this option is even more amazing. The mirror glass in these goggles make them look like deep, colorful tunnels, and they're still completely customizable. Just keep them charged. All you need is a micro USB cable. Here's the best way to show your love to your favorite Marvel character. This 1-to-1 model of Tony Stark's famous reactor is so realistic, Tony himself wouldn't notice any difference. And of course, it's backlit. Just push the button on top to activate the LED light. There are several ways to use the reactor. You can wear it as a necklace or put it on a stand to decorate your room. Add to that the Avengers logo, and you'll get the most authentic item for your collection.